Okay, here's some thoughts on this problem. You're told that a cone has a radius and height that are in the ratio 3 to 4. What will its volume be? Well, you can't get the exact volume because we don't know what the relationship or the exact values of R and H are. So here's the formula for the volume of a cone. Volume equals 1/3 pi radius squared times H. So we could think of the ratio this way. R is to H as 3 is to 4. That means that R, we could let X be the constant of proportionality. So R could be 3X and H could be 4X, where X could be any positive number. Here's a table with some sample values. When X is 1, R would be 3, H would be 4. When X is 2, it would be 6 to 8, 3, 9 to 12, and so on. You could have as many different possible values in here as you wanted. Another way to write it is a proportion. R is to H is 3 is to 4. You can solve for R, and you get R equals 3/4 H. Check the table. 3/4 of H is 3. 3/4 of 8 is 6. So this is a valid way to write it. Or you could say the relationship between H and R is H is 4/3 R. So you could come up with any of these three formulas that I've written down here. If we do want the volume in terms of H, R is 3/4 H from right here. So if you square this quantity and then simplify, you get 3 pi H cubed over 16. That's one possible formula for the volume in terms of H. If you want it in terms of the radius, H is 4/3 R, so that's what you put in here for H. And if you simplify it, you get 4 pi R cubed over 9. And if you want it in terms of this X here that we used to get a relationship or sample values for R and H, we could put 3X in for R, 4X in for H, simplify, and if I did that right, you get 12 pi H cubed. So there's three different formulas for the volume of the cone depending on either H, R, or the constant of proportionality. Okay, I hope that gave you some ideas. If you have any questions, post a comment.